Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a charming little item that's perfect for those special occasions or just to keep handy at home. We're talking about the best empty matchboxes available, the 60 pieces blank matches containers by Threlaco. These match storage boxes are not just functional, they're also a canvas for your creativity. These delightful little containers come in a pristine white color and measure approximately 2.24 by 1.42 by 0.59 inches. Their compact design makes them easy to store or carry, whether you're hosting a gathering or simply using them around the house. The generous pack of 60 means you'll always have enough on hand for your needs, be it for a wedding, a baby shower, or even a Halloween party. What I love most about these matchboxes is their DIY-friendly nature. They come in a blank canvas, allowing you to unleash your creativity. You can decorate them with paint, stickers, or even write personalized messages. This makes them perfect as unique party favors or gifts. Imagine the joy on your guests' faces when they receive a little something personalized just for them. These containers are not just for matches, though. They can serve multiple purposes. Use them as gift boxes for small items, as storage for tiny trinkets, or even as memo boxes to hold your reminders. The possibilities are endless. Each match storage box is crafted from quality paper material, ensuring durability and a sturdy structure. This means they're built to last, whether they're on display at your wedding reception or tucked away in a drawer. Another great aspect of these matchboxes is their versatility. They're ideal for any occasion, whether you're planning a chic bridal shower, an elegant wedding, or a fun-filled baby shower. These boxes can fit right in. They also make for great graduation party favors or even just as handy match holders around your home. So, if you're looking for the best empty matchboxes that combine functionality with the opportunity for creativity, look no further than the 60 pieces blank matches containers by Threlaco. With their quality, size, and potential for personalization, they truly are a must-have for any event or home. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.